What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are bringing you a brand new token to speak about. Now, I'm super excited, super hyped up. Before we jump into this disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Let's get straight in. So here it is, guys. It is Kounotori token. All right, really cool. I'm going to dive into exactly what this is, why I think you should get involved, who the team is, and it's fully doxed. I'm going to explain it to you, right? Links are down below, and you can see the URL up at the top. Now, put not your trusting money, but put your money in trust. That was an Oliver Wendell Holmes, okay? That was a quote, and it says underneath, we aim to create the first community-driven centralized exchange with stake and rewards up to 20% APR paid in stablecoin, NFT marketplace, NFT stake and perks are on blockchain governance via the Nest Council that will nominate and vote for new crypto projects to list. Super cool, all right? So their token, as you can see, is the K2O with a dollar sign in the front. All right, let's go and talk about that first. So the token, ERC20 token that launched on the Ethereum network in Q4 of 2021. Here's the contract address. Only use links down below and only use trusted addresses, all right? Here it is. Take a picture. Make sure you got the right one. Total supply of 1 quadrillion K2O. The contract has some great features built into it and makes it stand out from the crowd. Now, sliding tax scale. The 10% transaction tax is split between and adjusted backwards and forwards in favor of either the holders or the marketing wallet. It's got an ETH marketing wallet. By having a portion of the transaction tax converted to ETH, we won't affect the token price when we need to pay for marketing. And reflections, the sliding tax will allow anything up to 8% of every transaction to be redistributed. Super cool, right? A number of anti-manipulation features have also been built in to provide holders with a secure trading experience. They got the anti-sandwich attack, the anti-honeypot, and the anti-tax manipulation. So it is immune to sandwich attacks, which is the process where a bot will make 2 quick transactions just before and after another transaction in order to make a profit. Contract limits each address only to be able to make 1 transaction per block. Now the honeypot, setting the maximum transaction amount to 0 would prevent everyone from being able to sell, aka a honeypot. Our contract will reflect any efforts to set it to 0, meaning you'll always be able to sell your tokens. All right, the lowest that can be set is 0.1% of a supply of 1 trillion token. Now, the anti-tax manipulation, some projects have scammed users by setting the transaction tax to 100%, which means that all of your money is taken and receive no tokens. Our contract will not allow reflection taxes to be set above 8%, meaning you will always receive tokens when purchasing K2O. Super cool. They've got our backs here, all right? The audit is available here. All you got to do is just click there and see their audit with a response to their findings in their white paper. Okay, centralization made easy. It's going to provide users with a slick and easy use to interface while users maintain all the features you would find on any top tier exchange. Security will be at the forefront with the newer DeFi tokens being subject to and through auditing process before being listed. We will also be the first CEX to have the listing fee in the project's native token, meaning newer projects can enjoy the benefits that having a centralized listing can offer without breaking the bank. Now, all hail the king of stacking. We will have a stacking return of up to 20% paid in a stable coin. It's going to be pushed even higher with the use of the Kounotori NFT collection. As you can see here, we're partner projects and us, all right, unlock 0.5. We've got 2, 3 months, 5, 6 months, 10, and 12 months. It's ridiculous how bigger it is. You can spend it, all right? You've bought the token, you've staked it for a term. Now it's time to spend those rewards. Top up your Kounotori payment card by exchanging crypto to fiat in our mobile app. And it's more than just pixels. In their collection of NFTs, they got the Valley Stock NFTs who have a major part to play in the exchange, providing a host of perks for you to stack up, whether it's reduced transaction fees or higher staking, all right? You can view them on OpenSea right now. Let's have a look. Here we go. So you can actually see, and they've created 2.4 thousand, right, on OpenSea. Super cool. So we know the transparency is there. They have a flight path, which is what most people would call a roadmap, but I like that they say flight path, all right? It's an incredible journey. They've got phase 1, all ticked off, 2 ticked off, and we're now in phase 3, where they've got the exchange development, private testing, stress testing, audit, public beta testing, marketing campaign listed on the top 50 CEX, which we're going to do. And phase 4, exchange launch, governance, listing small cap, listed on top 20. Phase 5, the staking launch, the KTO tax, NFT staking launch, the payment card, exchange mobile app, Google Pay implementation, Apple Pay implementation, and recurring deposits listing on top 10 CEX. And finally, but not least, they got the blockchain development, the migrate to the blockchain, and the stable coin launch. Now, transparency brings trust. That's fully true. All right. And they've got a fully doxed team. All right. Super cool. Here they are. It's Adrian, Jan and Martin. Okay, Martin's the chief marketing officer. Jan is the chief technical officer, and Adrian is the chief executive officer. If you click on here, it's going to take you to all their Twitters, right? I've already done that, and it does seriously work out, all right? They are doxed to the teeth. They've partnered with Tech Alchemy, all right, a London-based development studio that's been voted as #1 blockchain technology company in the world. It is massive. I live in England, and all I hear about is these, and all their socials are at the bottom, right? Now, how do you buy it? All right, it's got to be on Uniswap. This video will show you how to buy using a DeFi wallet such as MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, or Trust Wallet. You can get it on a few others, but it is primarily on Uniswap, all right? I recommend MetaMask. People like Coinbase the best. Trust Wallet I like, but MetaMask 100% is the best. Have a look at this little diagram here. It shows you. It's real simple. All right, just like on any transaction on Uniswap, we do the same thing. If you've never been on Uniswap, watch a YouTube video, how to use Uniswap, all right? Looking at some of the other available exchanges, you got the Shinobi, the 1inch, and the Quick Swap. Fashionable and charitable, so they've got their own cool store, right? Really cool. If you click visit the store, it's actually going to show you some of their hoodies, some of their t-shirts, things like that, right? I really like it. They've got a featured product section. It's just so well done. Going down, and their links again. Only use the trusted links down below. Now, guys, I am super, super fired up, right? I love this project, and one of the things that really stands out to me is the transparency here, right? I love it when teams can put their faces to it, when they can actually show us exactly what they're going for. I like that you can research them. I actually have researched them. I do have a few additional points for you, all right? Get in their Twitter, get in their Discord, let them know you're from this channel. The top-rated development studio we talked about, Clutch.io, it actually is working on building our CEX from scratch. No templates used, all right? Obviously, the NFTs are going to be up for staking, things like that. You're going to get rewards from them, all right? There's no tax day events, etc. like that on the tokenomics. Really, really cool. And a massive, massive thing, all right, is the community holding shares of an LTD company too, and the community voting on the CEX on what to be listed. Basically, what that means is you're going to have an actual say in what goes on here, all right? If you get involved in this, the community is actually going to hold shares and have a say in what's going on. That's super, super unique, all right? There's going to be game of events. There's going to be hangouts, loads of prizes, always doing giveaways to get in their social medias. But from me, I love this. Please get involved. Let me know you're from this channel. If you love this video, hit the like button. If you adored it, hit the subscribe. Hit the bell if you want to be notified. And I will see you on the very next video. Have a blessed day.